good day. In this session, we are going to tackle about solving rational equations. Let us define first what is a rational equations. When you say rational equations, these are equations involving rational expressions. Meaning, these are rational expressions with equal sign. So what are the steps for us to solve the rational equations? The first step that you are going to do, you are going to clear the fraction. How? You are going to find for the LCM of the denominator. Afterwards, you are going to divide the LCM to your denominator, then multiply your answer to your numerator para maklear natin yung fraction. Afterwards, we are going to combine like terms, then solve for the given variables. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, kung alam mo mag-simple operation ng algebraic expression, kayang-kaya mo to. Alam mo mag-divide at multiply, kayang-kaya mo to. Let us have number 1. We have here x over 2 plus 2 is equals to x over 3. So, we are going to solve for the unknown variable, which is x. So, for us to solve this one, we are going to find for the LCM. So, yung LCM, yung denominator lang naman yung titingnan mo. So, si 2 is a whole number, therefore, ang kanyang denominator is 1. So, ang ating i-include lang is si 2 and 3. What would be the least common multiples of 2 and 3? So, saan sila unang magkakamuka? Si 2 and 3. Multiples. So, 2, 4, 6. How about 3? 3, 6. So, 6 is the least common multiples. So, ganun lang kasimpleng kumuha ng least common multiples. Or just simply multiply it. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. So, that is the LCM. Afterwards, you are going to divide to your denominator. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. Times x, multiply sa numerator, so the answer is 3x. Then plus. This one, since wala kang denominator dito, multiply mo na agad. 6 times 2, the answer is 12. Huwag kakalimutan nyo na, it is equal to, may denominator ulit, so we are going to divide. 6 divide 3, the answer is 2. Times x, the answer is 2x. Then, combine like terms. Lahat na may variable, ililipat natin sa left side. Lahat na walang variable, doon sa right side, para mas madaling mag-solve. So, si 2x, lipat sa kabila. Si 12, lipat sa kabila. So, kapag ikay naglilipat, just change the sign. Si 3x, just copy. You have here 3x. Then, it is, si 2x, lipat mo, magiging negative 2x. Then, it is equal to, si 12, lipat mo sa kabilang side, magiging negative 12. Then, afterwards, you are going to solve na this one. 3x minus 2x. Just combine. So, since we have same variable, you are going to subtract 3x. Bawasan mo ng dalawang x. The answer is 1x. Or simply x. Then, it is equal to, sino ang natira? Negative 12. So, your answer is negative 12. So, how will you check your work if is it correct? You are going to substitute it to your given. So, yung x papalitan mo ng negative 12. Tingnan nyo. So, it becomes negative 12 over 2. Checking to So, plus 2 is equal to, si x gagawin mong negative 12 over 3. So, negative 12 divided by 2, the answer is negative 6 plus 2. It is equal to negative 12 divided by 3, the answer is negative 4. Negative 6 plus 2, the answer is negative 4. It is equal to negative 4. So, correct. Therefore, your missing variable is equal to negative 12. Is it clear? Number 2. 4 over y plus 3 is equals to negative 5. So, ang denominator lang natin dito is y. So, therefore, ang LCM lang natin is y. Yun lang yan. So, both sides Then, afterwards, we are going to divide. Y divide y, the answer is 1 times 4, the answer is 4. Next. Since wala kang denominators, multiply mo na agad. Y times 3, the answer is 3y plus 3y is equal to y times negative 5, the answer is negative 5y. So, lahat na may variable, pagsamahin natin. So, yung negative 5y, lipat natin sa left side. Yung wala, lagay natin sa right side. So, just copy here 3y. Then, si negative 5, lipat mo, magiging positive 5y is equal to, si 4, lipat mo, magiging negative 4. Then, combine like terms. 3y plus 5y, the answer is 8y is equal to negative 4. Then, afterwards, you are going to divide both sides by 8 hanggang si y na lang yung matira. Cancel 8. So, y is equals to, they are divisible by 4, so it becomes negative 1/2. So, this is now your final answer. Is it clear? Number 3. We have 4 over 3x is equals to 10 over 3 plus 3 over x. As you can see, ang common is 3, ang common is x. So, therefore, your LCM is 3x. So, yun na yung pinaka-LCM mo. We have your 3x and then 3x. That is it. Then, 3x divide 3x divide 1. 1 times 4, the answer is 4. Equals 3x divided by 3. So, mawawala si 3, matitira si x. X times 10, the answer is 10x. Plus 3x divided by x. So, mawawala naman si x, matitira si 3. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. Then, yung may variable, lipat mo sa left side. Yung wala, lipat mo sa kabilang side. So, we have here, si 10x, it becomes negative 10x is equal to, so, matitira dito si 9, lipat mo yung 4 sa kabila, so, magiging negative 4. Negative 10x is equal to, just combine, 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. Then, afterwards, you are going to divide both sides. Divide both sides by negative 10 hanggang si x na lang ang matira sa left side. So, canceled out negative 10. So, x is equals to 5 divided over negative 10 is negative 1/2. That is it. They are divisible by 5. So, si 5 magiging 1, si 10 magiging 2. Then, yung negative sign, ilagay mo lang sa gitna o kaya dun sa taas ni 1. Dapat nandun po lagi yung inyong negative sign. Wala po sa denominator. Okay? Naintindihan? Now, let us move with another examples. Number 4. X over 6 is equals to 5 over x minus 1. So, let us find the LCM. So, since wala namang common kay 6 at saka x minus 1, just multiply. 6 times x minus 1. Then, this one is 6 times x minus 1. Then, we are going to divide and multiply. 6 times x minus 1 divided by 6. So, nawala si 6, ang matitira ay si x minus 1. So, you are going to multiply it by x. So, meaning, x times x minus 1. That is it. So, hindi ko muna siya minultiply, ha. It is equal to 6 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Mawawala si x minus 1, matitira si 6. 6 times 5, the answer is 30. Then, afterwards, you are going to distribute. So, x times x, you have your x squared minus x times 1, the answer is x. Is equals to 30. So, since we have here a quadratic equation, yung 30, factoring to yung 30 lilipat natin sa kabilang side, then equate natin into 0. So, magigitong x squared minus x, then si 30 magiging minus 30 is equal to 0. So, quadratic siya, quadratic trinomial siya, kaya ang gagamitin natin is factoring by using trial and error. Factoring ulit. So, you have here, factor ni x squared, we have x and x. Since negative ito, isang positive, isang negative. Think a number na kapag minultiply mo, ang sagot ay 30, then kapag sinubtract mo, ang sagot naman ay negative 1. So, let us have 5 and 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Ngayon, since negative ito, dapat yung higher number is negative. So, negative dapat si 6, then positive si 5. Okay? Then, just subtract. So, the answer is negative 1. So, therefore, this is the factor. So, ang positive mo dapat ay si 5. Ang negative mo ay si 6. Then, equal to 0. Then, use 0 property. Equate mo lang yan sa 0. So, you have your x plus 5 equals to 0. Then, solve for x. X is equals to negative 5. That is it. Next tayo. X minus 6 is equals to 0. So, x is equals to just transpose positive 6. So, therefore, your x's are, pwedeng si negative 5, substitute mo dyan, magiging tama rin ang sagot. Or si positive 6, substitute mo dyan, magiging tama rin ang sagot. Is it clear? So, that is for number 5. Let us have for number 4. Let us have for number 5. We have 2 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 over x minus 2 is equals to 4 over x minus 1. So, as you can see, meron ditong trinomial. So, ang gagawin mo dito, pa-factor mo muna yan. Factor muna natin para makuha natin yung LCM niya. So, ang factor niya is x and x. Then, since ito ay negative, then this one is positive. Parehas na negative. Then, ang factors lang nito is 2 and 1. So, ayun na yung factor niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, naulit si x minus 2, naulit lang din si x minus 1. So, therefore, ang kanyang LCM is x minus 2 times x minus 1. Okay? So, yun na yun. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang ulitin pa isang beses lang. Tama na yun. Okay na yun. Okay? Then, we are going to divide. X minus 2 times x minus 1 divided by dun sa factors na ginawa mo. So, pareha siya, magiging 1. Times 2, the answer is 2 na lang. Did you get it? Then, plus. X minus 2 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. So, mawawala si x minus 2, matitira si x minus 1. I-multiply natin kay 3. So, it means 3 times x minus 1. It is equal to x minus 2 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Mawawala si x minus 1, matitira si x minus 2, i-multiply natin kay 4. So, magiging siyang 4 times x minus 2. Then, we are going to simplify by distributive property. Distribute mo, distribute mo. So, just copy 2 plus 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 1, that is negative 3, is equal to 4 times x, the answer is 4x. Then, 4 times negative 2, the answer is negative 8. Then, combine like terms. Lahat ng may variables, lipat natin sa left side. Lahat ng wala, lilipat natin sa right side. So, it becomes 3x. Si 4, magiging negative 4x is equal to, dito, matira si negative 8, ililipat natin si 2, magiging negative 2. Lilipat natin si 3, magiging positive 3. Then, we are going to combine like terms. 3x minus 4x, the answer is negative x. Okay? Then, it is equal to negative 8 minus 2, that is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 3, the answer is negative 7. Since may negative pa dito, kailangan mo pa i-divide by negative 1 kasi kailangan positive x lang ang matira. Cancelled out, magiging positive na siya. So, therefore, you have your x, then negative 7 divided by negative 1, the answer is positive 7. That is it. Is it clear? Let us have more examples pa. Number 6. 5 over 2m plus 6 minus 1 over m minus 1 is equal to 1 over m plus 3. So, as you can see, yung 2m plus 6 may common siya. So, pwede natin itong i-factor. So, let us factor muna. So, ang common sa kanya is 2. Yung 2 labas mo. Then, divide mo. 2m divided by 2, the answer is m. Plus 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. So, ganun muna yung gagawin mo. Titingnan mo muna kung merong pwedeng i-factor para makuha mo yung LCM. So, ayan na. So, si 2m na bago na natin, naging 2 times m plus 3. Pinactor out na natin. So, basta iti-take note nyo lang, titingnan nyo muna kung merong pwedeng i-factor, ha? Para mas madali kayong makakuha ng LCM. Then, afterwards, tingnan nyo kung may common. May common si m plus 3 at saka si m plus 3. Common sila. Then, dun sa m minus 1 at saka 2, wala na. So, meaning, ang pinaka-LCM lang natin, we have here 2, then si m plus 3, at saka si m minus 1. That is it. Then, we are going to divide na. So, 2 times m plus 3 times m minus 1 divided by 2m plus 3. So, mawala yung 2m plus 3, 2m plus 3, matitira si m minus 1. I-multiply natin yun kay 5. So, magiging siyang 5 multiplied by m minus 1. Susundan. Then, minus tayo. Then, this one naman, didivide natin dito, mawawala yung m minus 1, matitira si 2 times m plus 3. Then, mumultiply natin kay 1. So, since 1 na yon, eto na yon, 2 times m plus 3 na lang. Dahil 1 naman yon. So, ito pa rin yung magiging sagot. Then, it is equal to, so, dito naman, mawawala yung m plus 3, matitira si 2 times m minus 1, multiply mo lang kay 1. So, 2 times m minus 1 pa din. Then, distribute na natin. Distribute, distribute, then distribute. So, this one becomes 5m minus 5 times 1, that is 5. Then, negative 2 times n, that is negative 2m. Negative 2 times 3, the answer is negative 6. It is equal to 2m minus 2. Then, combine like terms. So, lagay natin lahat ng may m sa kabilang side. Ito, pwede mo na ito i-combine. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3m. Then, lipat mo yung 2m sa kabila, magiging negative 2m. Okay? Then, it is equal to, ito, yung negative 5 minus 11, pwede mo na i-combine, magiging negative 11 yan. Ito, copy. Magiging siya negative 11, so positive 11 pag nilipat mo sa kabilang side. Then, 3m minus 2m, the answer is m na lang, or 1m. So, it is equal to positive, negative 2 plus 11, the answer is 9. So, m is equals to 9. So, that is it. Okay? Next tayo, let us have number 7. So, number 7 tayo. So, si a squared minus 9, as you can see, pwede siya i-factored. So, difference of 2 square siya. So, factor ni a squared, we have a and a, then positive, negative. So, square root lang ni 9, we have here 3 and 3. That is it. Then, tingnan nyo, yung may pinaka-common. So, may a plus 3, a minus 3, a minus 3. So, therefore, ang ating LCM is a plus 3 times a minus 3. That is it. Then, didivide natin dito. So, mawawala si a plus 3, matitira si a minus 3. So, multiply kay 2. 2 times a minus 3 plus, just copy the sign. A plus 3 times a, di-divide natin dito. So, same sila, magiging 1 yun. So, matitira na lang ay si 5. Just copy 5. Is equal to. So, kapag dito naman, mawawala yung a minus 3, matitira si a plus 3 times 1. So, that is a plus 3 na lang. Then, just distributive property. 2 times a, that is 2a. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. Plus 5 is equal to a plus 3. Lahat ng may variable, lipat natin sa left side. Lahat ng wala, lipat natin sa right side. So, it becomes 2a. Then, this one positive becomes negative a is equal to 3. So, si 6 magiging plus 6. Si 5 magiging negative 5. Then, combine 2a minus a, it becomes a na lang. A na lang. 1 na lang yon. Then, equal to 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. 9 minus 5, the answer is positive 4. So, your a is equals to positive 4. That is it. Let us have the last example. We have 1 over 2x plus 2 over x minus 2 is equals to 3 over x squared minus 3 minus 2. So, tingnan muna natin kung meron tayong maipa-factor. So, we can factor this one by using common monomial. Ang common sa kanya is 2. Tabas mo. So, 2x divided by 2, the answer is x, plus 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. So, that's the factor of your denominator. Then, dito, okay na to. Then, this one, pwede itong by using trial and error. You have your x and x. Then, since negative ito, isang positive, isang negative. And then, yung 2, factors na lang is 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Yun nga lang, negative dapat yung sagot mo sa gitna. So, therefore, the higher number should be negative, then this one is positive. So, minus 2 to, ito, positive 1. So, after you have your factoring, we can now find for the least common multiples of your denominator, or what you call the least common denominator. So, tingnan muna kung sino yung magkakamuka. Si x plus 1, x plus 1. So, isa si x plus 1. Next, si 2, walang kamuka. So, lagay mo si 2 dyan. Then, we have your x minus 2, x minus 2. So, that is x minus 2. So, these are the LCD mo or LCM. So, 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 2. Ayan. So, di-divide natin. So, dito, si x plus 1, so, matitira si x minus 2. So, yun yung multiply natin kay 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x minus 2 dito. Plus, dito naman, pag dinivide mo, mawawala yung x minus 2, ito matitira. This one. Then, multiply natin kay 2. So, since may 2 dito, 2 times 2, lagay mo na agad 4 times x plus 1. Then, it is equal to, this one, mawawala ito, matitira si 2. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. Then, distribute lang. So, you have your x minus 2 plus 4 times x, that is 4x, plus 4 is equals to 6. Lahat ng variable dito, lahat ng wala, lipat doon. So, matitira dito ay si x plus 4x is equal to 6. Si negative 2 lipat becomes positive 2. Si 4 lipat magiging minus 4. X plus 4x, that is 5x, is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 4, the answer is 4. Then, divide both sides by 5. By 5. Cancel 5, it becomes x na lang. So, x is equals to 4 over 5. That is it. So, that is your final answer. So, ganun lang po mag-solve ng rational equation. So, solving for the unknown variables of rational equation. So, hopefully, nasundan nyo po siya. Basta natatandaan nyo po lagi yung mga past lesson natin, kayang-kaya nyo siyang sagutan. So, kung hindi nyo naman natatandaan, pwede nyo namang i-review yung mga video lesson natin na mga nauna, kung saan sunod-sunod naman yon. So, para masundan nyo yung ating lesson. Okay? So, hopefully, may natutunan for this day. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!